start today, we're going to do chicken burgers. We got some boneless chicken thighs, which we're going to quickly give a brine. We got some lovely buns. We got some salad tomato rub. And we're going to make a really nice parmesan and chicken cheese sauce, or white gravy as they call it in America. And we're going to make a umami mayo with some anchovies, with some garlic, with some chives, some parsley, some celery, and a few other bits and bobs. So we're just going to take you through it. So we're just going to make our quick brine for our chicken thighs. So these are our chicken thighs. Got it straight from the butchers, so we just asked them to debone them. Done in a couple of seconds, like literally bum bum bum, they go for it. We have buttermilk and some pickles. Put the chicken in a wee bag or bowl. I do have a freezer bag here, so it's easy enough. There we go. Add some buttermilk. The nice thing about a bag is you don't need to use as much liquid as in a bowl, because in a bowl you need to kind of cover it completely. Just close the bag, stick it in the fridge for at least an hour, maybe overnight if you want to, and leave it there and then take it out. Today we got a brand new egg. We got the Mini Max, which is like the portable version. So this is a nice cook to actually start. This is a good cook to actually start a new egg, because you don't want to have a too high of a temperature in your egg. So today we're going to cook it about 170 odd degrees. So it's going to burn in the seals pretty well. As always, we just fire lighter, stick it in, make sure your bottom vent is open, leave it up, and in a few minutes we're good to go. The next step is we're making our umami mayo. So we have a little bit of natural umber apple cider vinegar, some Clandeboye estate yogurt, we got some good quality mayonnaise, we got some anchovies, some Worcester sauce, a little bit of Frank's hot sauce, a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard, dried parsley, some dried chives, we've got some celery salt and some garlic. I always make a bit extra, because this is just a really nice sauce to use for other things. So add a good bit of mayo, the Worcester sauce, hot sauce, more if you like it hot, a bit of mustard, Greek style yogurt, I've got about 6 fillets. You can either do a pestle and mortar or just chop it finely. This is one of these things that really is going to give it the umami flavor. Packs a nice punch, and you don't really actually taste the anchovies in the complete dish. It just gives you a lot of extra saltiness and flavor. So there we go. Epic. So the egg has been lit for about 10 minutes. As you can see, there's a nice bit of lit charcoal. So we're going to put the cast iron grill on. I'll put it that way, because actually the new one has egg on it, which is pretty cool. Then we're going to close it, open the top vent completely, let it come up to temperature about 160, 170 degrees, and then we're just going to regulate it with the regulators. We're going to make our parmesan white gravy, or like a bechamel sauce type of thing. Grate some parmesan. Get a bit of butter. Just butter melted. Add a bit of flour, about a tablespoon or 2. Give it a good whisk. Cook it for about a minute. And slowly add a bit of milk, bit by bit. There we go. We see it thickening up in the bubbles. Turn it down a little bit. Add the parmesan. Keep on whisking. Add a little bit of chicken gravy. Pinch of salt. So that's the sauce ready. And then we're gonna go on to the serrano ham, and we're gonna get the chicken on the grill. We got some serrano ham. We're going to crisp it up on the egg. So we got the chicken, we're going to take it out of the brine, and here we have our rub for today. We got some garlic powder, we got some oregano, we got some salt, we got some ginger, we got some white pepper, we got some smoked paprika, we got some turmeric, we have some thyme, and we have celery salt. So that's our chicken. Take them out. They've been brining for about an hour and a half now, I think. That's them pat dried. You can, of course, leave them in the fridge for an hour just to get them air dried, but we ain't got time for that, so we're just gonna add the rub. That's our chicken rub. So now we're gonna toast the baps quickly. Got lovely brioche baps. We're just gonna get our tomatoes and lettuce ready. Time to put the chicken on the egg. This is ready to build, guys. Get our buns. Umami mayo. Salad, tomato, chicken, cheese sauce, pickle, crispy ham. Done. And that's how you cook a chicken burger on the Big Green Egg. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.